Hi everybody, my name is Brittany Kim and I'm here to show you how to use the recording feature on your iPad during a Zoom session. And joining me today is Julie, so she could be our example patient. So to start, you want to be in Zoom already with your patient, and when you use this feature, it's very helpful for if you want to show a patient how they're moving to give them some sort of visual feedback. So what you'll do is you'll go to the top of the screen and swipe down on the right hand side of your iPad where the home button is. And the first thing you want to do is actually turn off your notifications because the iPad will record any notifications that pop up. So if you have a patient who's emailing you, to protect that patient's privacy, make sure you turn off your notifications by clicking the moon button. Then next, you're going to push the record button, which is down here. In order to set that up, we'll share a link from Apple that teaches you how to set up this record button. And you can push and hold. You want to make sure that the microphone is off so that you can record your session. So you'll push record and it'll do a little countdown and it'll start recording. And then you go back to your Zoom session and you'll ask your patient to do the movement that you want to see and give them feedback on. So in this case, maybe Julie's going to show me her cool dance moves, and I'm going to use this video to show Julie how awesome she's getting at dancing and to give her some feedback. And so we'll say, okay, nice job, Julie, thank you. And then you'll swipe down again, push the stop record button, and you'll see up at the top that it says it was saved. I would open this up and pause it. You want it preset before you share your screen. Otherwise, everyone will see different photos and videos that you have when you're sharing your Zoom screen. Then you'll open up, go back to Zoom, share your screen at the top, and then start the broadcast. And then you'll ask Julie, okay, hold on, Julie, can you see my screen? It should be a picture of you and it's paused. Okay, and then I'll play back the video. And then maybe I'll speed ahead to the part where I actually want her to see, which is her cool dance moves. And then I'll give her feedback. And then you can also do things like reverse it or slow it down. So Julie can really appreciate all the movement or the different parts that you want to show her. So that is how you record. And then when you want to go back, you just go back to your Zoom screen and you stop the share. And then you start your session again with your patient. Thank you for joining us today.